Okay, we have a few new carrier comfort units right here. Heat pumps, and they do.
It's a 5-ton from 2019.
Alright, a 5-ton from 2019. This one has 3 normal blades. It's also a 5-ton from 2019. 14 seer.
What's that one?
It is also, this one's a 4-ton from 2019.
2019?
Yeah, so 3 2019 carrier comforts right here.